purchased this home in about 2013. We were living in the city in Harlem and looking to get a little more space like most people in the city are. We knew getting an older home was pretty much one of the only options out here. So we had no misconceptions coming in that we were gonna have to do a lot of renovations. In the summer it was too hot, the winter was too cold. It was really sticker shock, I would say, the first winter, seeing how high our gas bill could get. Every wall that we touched, one of the things we wanted to do was put in insulation. We replaced windows, this huge front window here in front of us, we replaced that during our first round of renovations. And we've got thermostats all throughout the house. One of the things we realized at one point we were gonna go with solar. And we actually had solar put on. And once that was done, we knew we were gonna do something in the attic. So then we started looking again and saw Con Ed's rebate program with getting insulation done in our attic. When I started looking around for contractors, that's when I found out about the program through Con Ed and the rebates that were offered. The company that I eventually went with did all the work. They did it quickly. But once I heard about, with the incentives, exactly what the price would be, it was far below what my expectation was. So we immediately pulled the trigger. I'd probably say my heating bill yearly, I'm probably spending about 40 or 50% of what I was when I initially moved in here.